What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "When You Threaten to Kill Your Son's School Staff." Okay, let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here. If it'll play.
Yo, you, this is the reason why.
Come on, Shannon.
I don't want you to see my pussy. Get out of the car. All right?
Behold the Karen final boss. Not only did Miss Goober Guardian breach her son's school's trespass order, she also terrorized the school staff by threatening to kill them.
I don't know. I'm waiting for him to get out the car.
All right, Shannon.
So what are you pulling me over for? Because I told you a woman was on the phone.
Okay, well, you have active warrants, so we're going to step you out. All right?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are, Shannon. Don't
I'm
make
not
it any
stepping
more difficult.
out.
Don't want to make it
They
that
said I
difficult.
had active warrants. From what?
Shannon, come on.
Shook, from what? Where? From where? He wants to know where.
Shannon, one from
My
the
husband
county.
wants to know where.
Okay,
In the car.
Shannon, I'm going to pull you out,
You're not
okay?
doing shit.
Shannon, I'm going to have to take you out of the car, okay?
Anyway, you're not telling me nothing.
She's refusing to get out of the car. Shannon, I'm going to break the window. I'm going to break the window.
I got a warrant. I want to know what it is. What's it for?
We'll let you know. Come on.
No, you can let me know right here or I'm driving home. You can't tell me why I got warrants. What's my warrant for?
Incident at the school last night.
Did you have warrants?
For what?
For what happened yesterday at the school?
Okay, what was that for? Because I wanted my kids?
Because you were making threats.
What threats did I make? I called the
I just
teachers.
told
I didn't
you-
make no threats. I went to
Shannon,
the school,
stop.
and I already got
Shannon.
a lawyer. You're not pulling me over telling me I got warrants.
You
Where?
do. You do have warrants.
Prove it. Prove
Okay,
it.
step out of the
No,
car.
I'm not stepping out the on the car. I just dropped off
Shannon.
my daughter's clothes. I told this idiot that person was on the phone.
Shannon.
He goes over and gets behind me. He did that. He had trapped me. Bye. You break my window and what? Watch you break my window, yo.
Come on, Shannon.
She ain't acting right.
Please
Get her
step out of the
together.
What threat was I making? Because I got everything in writing.
Okay, it's in the report.
Go call John.
Can I talk? You're just yelling over top of me.
Go call John.
They did a
Did I
report for
even
it
go
yesterday.
to school today?
And you also have another warrant out of, I don't even know where.
Where? Tell me.
We'll tell you when we get back.
No, you can tell me right here.
We can tell you
I
now.
ain't going nowhere.
We'll roll your windows down so we can talk to you.
No, you can tell me right like that. So I record this motherfucker.
You record it? We have body cams. They're recording.
I don't even got my phone. Yeah, I swear, break my window, yo. Break it.
Am I starting the paperwork for today, or kind of the same circumstances as yesterday?
I just dropped my son went
Can
into the
you
school. I had
let me
to
know
drop
what the
her off
warrant's for?
shoes. My son had.
Can you listen, Shannon? I'm telling you for the warrants. Look, listen. Listen.
The girl drove, she was pulling out. The girl drove by. The cop was on her left.
Oh, you want to give her a call?
Open her mouth, being dumb. Be like, you're not gonna put a girl over the phone?
Yeah, and then he gets behind me. There was no reason for it. He wasn't even behind me.
What'd they say?
He wasn't even worried about me. He wasn't even worried about me. He was in the left lane, and then he got over behind me. He wasn't even worried about me. No, he didn't even get. So what are my what? Give me it.
We have Central checking it now, or dispatch.
I wasn't trespassing. They weren't bringing my son out. It's all recorded.
Okay, I'm just telling you what they told us.
I don't care. I called you guys to come out, help me get my kid yesterday. I got it all on recording. And then John was there. I came in and spoke to him. Nobody called the cops. I did. Because I'm going to show you proof that I called.
I believe you. I'm not saying you
You don't
didn't.
believe me, Swan.
You're not letting me. You're just talking over
You don't even know what I've
me.
been going through this piece of school.
Shani, you're just talking over me.
Oh, because I don't give a what you say because you're not giving
I
me
know
no
you don't care.
information.
You never care when we talk to you.
Well,
I'm
sure.
just
You guys
trying.
don't help me. You don't help me.
How
but
can we
other
help you?
people.
You just yell at us.
Oh,
See, like doesn't
break
help.
my window.
Okay.
Damn, when they know y'all, when they know each other by first names, you know you in the cops' face way too much. That is not, come on, man. That's crazy. They've talked to her multiple times, but either way it goes, she going regardless because you got warrants. You could fight whatever the school did, that, whatever happened today, whatever. You still got warrants, so you going regardless. You know what I mean? So if you don't want to tighten up and get it together, get your attitude together. Because if not, they going to get you right. They going to get you right. You don't want to act right, they going to get you together. Don't worry about it.
This pussy was not even behind me.
Shannon, you
And
have
he's doing this because he
you
thinks
have
he's
warrants,
You're
Shannon.
so good, Karis. Fuck, bitch.
Shannon, we're gonna break your window and take you out of the car.
Yo, if they break my window, I'll definitely go
We don't
want to
do that. No, that's not how this works, Shannon.
Go
Stop.
call the supervisor
Shannon,
now.
stop. I am the supervisor.
You call John.
No.
I want John here. I don't want no.
No, I'm your supervisor, Shannon.
You don't protect me in my house.
I come out and protect you all the time.
You?
We really don't want to break your window, Shannon.
I just dropped off shorts and sneakers to my daughter.
Oh,
and
for
this
sure.
motherfucker taking a left, and then I put my window down to talk to him, and he pulls me over.
Shannon, open your door, please.
He trapped me.
Oh,
No, no.
We don't want to damage your car. We're going to break your window, Shannon.
Call my phone on three-way right now.
As Columbus once said, ain't no supervisor ever tamed a Karen, especially the one without her undies.
I bet you it's at home.
Shannon,
Off, son.
open your door.
You don't give a none of you give a about me.
Open your door.
None of you give a about me.
We do.
You don't. If you
We
did, I
do.
wouldn't be going through the shit going
But you're
through.
yelling at me through a little crack in your
Oh,
window.
well, you ain't getting no more than that. You don't deserve it.
Okay, I'm trying to help you from
No,
breaking
you're
your
not
window.
trying. I'm gonna go bail out of Barrington.
No, stop.
No, I'm gonna go bail
Put
out
your
of
car.
Barrington.
Don't leave.
Trust you people.
Don't leave.
And I already told my diapers.
If you
lady.
leave, you're getting charged with
I already
another
told
charge.
my- Watch. Listen to this.
Don't leave.
I already told my diapers lady that I'm
Don't
gonna
leave.
go down Barrington, and she already knows. Watch
Shannon,
me.
put your car in park. All right, we're breaking your window. Last chance.
My diapers worker
Last
right now.
chance.
No, wait, I'm calling my diapers worker said at the school or you people give me a problem, the car.
Put your window down.
I don't care. Break my window, you'll be paying for it. You're paying for it.
Shannon, put your window down. This is the last warning.
I'm trying to go to Barrington or
Shannon, one more
I
chance.
don't want to go to Magnolia. I want to go to Barrington. Don't open the door.
You have to do it.
Shut it.
Do it.
Lock it. Yo, you. This is the reason why.
Come on, Shannon. Shannon, stop.
2304 Central. Female just took off from Penn Stop. If you could just put out pickup and hold for that vehicle.
The only sensible person in that car was her teenage son, asking her to get out. She was later spotted by another team of officers, parked at a spot and howling at pedestrians.
Jen, based off of what I'm seeing, I need you to get out of the vehicle.
Okay, that's fine. I will.
I've been asking you like.
But I can't even leave my purse in here. My window's cut broken, like
All right.
from another.
Please
I
step out
came
of the
here
vehicle.
because of my. Okay? They entrapped me, broke my window, and said I had warrants. I didn't believe them.
All right, Shannon,
I
just
still
step out.
Don't please don't arrest me because I don't
step
know
out of
what
the
I got warrants for.
Okay,
I don't
just
know.
Please step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the car for
Please
now.
back up because I don't wear panties.
Okay.
It's hot.
All right, I
I'm
need you to
sweating.
get out of the car.
I don't want you to see my pussy.
I'm
Can you please
not
move a little
looking.
bit?
Trust me.
Can you please just move
Shannon,
1 second?
if you don't get out of the car, I'm gonna rip you out of here.
I understand that, but I'm asking you as a woman, can you please move?
Just, come on, get out of the car. All right?
That's all I'm
Just
asking.
put your hands behind your back for now.
Can you lock my car?
Yeah, I'll lock it all up, all right?
That's all I need.
All right.
I just need
Relax.
someone to make me understand because they didn't need to do that to me.
Listen, stop. All right?
You know, when I lived in Barrington, I never got in trouble, not one time, and you know that. Tell me and they can suck my d.
You can tell them when they get here.
Shannon.
I'm not going there. I'm not going there. I don't feel safe with No, I don't feel safe there. No.
Shannon.
I'm not going to
Stop.
Call my husband. Call my husband. I don't want to go to I already don't feel safe living there. I got BCCO money to move. No.
Stop.
No, don't tell me to stop.
Shannon, stop. Come on.
He said I had other charges out of somewhere else, and I'm not going to Call my husband. My husband don't want me to go No, no, you don't understand. Every time I go there's something happens.
Have a seat.
Please don't bring me
Put your feet in.
You can bring me
I'll put
anywhere
the
but
arrow. Put your feet in.
Anywhere but I swear, please not make
They are towing the car, okay? I can't
No,
help you.
because Sean's coming to get it right
I
now.
can't help you. So do you want your purse?
Yeah.
All right. Is there anything else you want in
No,
here?
because call my husband.
I can't help you.
Sean's coming right now.
Do you want
So
anything?
who's gonna pay for everything
Hey,
that
Shannon, Shannon.
Well,
We're not doing that.
1 minute.
We're
Tell
not doing
them you motherfuckers to come over
Shannon,
here. and
we're
speak
not
to me.
doing that.
Listen, I've been being real
Shannon,
nice,
we're not
but they
doing
can't even come to my fake. Don't put it on the ground. You lose money. Can you put it in your back seat?
I'll put it right here.
Tell them to come over and talk to me because
Listen.
Sean's picking it up.
Listen, you can't.
Tell them to come over and say something to me.
It's even if you fled from us, your car's getting towed. You fled from them, Shannon.
So where's the gate? How much is it to get out? Call my husband.
I can't call him.
Can you give him my phone? I'll open it and you can call him.
Because it's getting towed.
Call Sean.
You know what though? I must say, I do commend her for one thing. She ain't saying call my mom. She's saying call my husband. You know what I'm saying? She got a husband. I'm over here single. Damn, man, I can't get a relationship to save my life. No, I'm playing. I don't want to be in a relationship. But anyway, you know, she got her husband, everything. kudos to that brother, man, because I don't know how he putting up with her, because I'll be like, oh, no. She seems like a nut job, all right? I ain't gonna... No, man. She's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man.
Come on, yo. Now. I'm tired of you motherfuckers.
Stop screaming here. There's a daycare right there.
I know, my bad.
Right?
My kids went there. I know.
Stop.
No, because he's just a weirdo.
You keep
weirdos.
Listen, if you keep yelling, you're gonna get me in trouble. My chief's gonna come out here and be like, why didn't you charge her? I'm not trying to charge you, all right? This is what my husband called. Okay. Always a pleasure seeing you.
The woman had active warrants for terroristic threats and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer during a traffic stop. She was charged with eluding, obstruction of law, and resisting arrest.
You nice? Crack hot. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, that made sure she got a reservation at the jail.
So she stole some product.
We got all the product back.
She assaulted both of you.
Yes.
You guys want to be victims of assault?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's crazy.
Hey, it's the police.
Pop
Hey.
on her.
Hey!
Oh, get you right.
Stop right there. Hey, it's the police. Stop. Ma'am, it's the police department. Stop right there. Hands on top of your head.
Okay, yeah,
Put your hands on your head.
Help, I need someone to
Put your hands on your head.
Just have this lady, take your phone out, please. No, just,
Hands on top of your head.
He's the police.
Hands
Help,
on top of your head.
No, don't come at me. Help.
Hands behind your back.
You some why?
Yes.
What can you tell me?
Stop.
Stay there, bitch!
You're going to go to the ground. Straight to the ground.
What's the help? You know why? Don't help. Are you dumb? Help! Help! A 15-year-old girl is trying to rape me. He's talking so loud. Help! 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 Help!
I got it.
Help!
She got mental issues.
I'm pressing
Do you
charges.
have any weapons on you?
No, I do not, but do you? I'm pressing charges.
Right now you're under arrest.
No, you have to give me a reason.
My partner's going to read you your rights.
I'm 15. I'm 15. I'm 15 old. I'm 15.
Let's set her up.
Can you drive me home?
$100 for me, please.
Ow!
Let's get her in a car.
Help! Ow! I can't stand! You put him on stupid with cops. I'm 15 years old. I'm 15. And I'm gone. Shut up! Don't you keep that going. Don't you do that. Not you just put him in
This is when she couldn't hold her mouth squirt in any longer.
Can you explain who's gonna pay for this stuff? Can you explain who's gonna pay for this? You know? You don't? You don't? Tell me what, then you gotten caught, Swedish. Shut the up, you're gay. You nice? Crack hot. I didn't mean to. So I actually didn't mean to. Please note that.
Now you're under arrest for assault 3. Somebody get her head, I guess.
I didn't mean to. For me, like you do,
It's a felony.
Hey, what do you know what you've been doing, dude? You were sitting here like a dumbass. You can't see yourself through me. Hey, you're not gonna. This is proof that you're raping me. This is proof. God bless.
Have a seat in the car, please.
Take a seat.
You have to seat.
I didn't call my mom.
Take a seat.
I didn't call my mom. Her name is Mary. I'm trying to sit down.
Put your leg.
Kudos to those officers for being able to hold their composure, man. One of the most disgusting things there is that a human can do is to spit on somebody. That is absolutely, that's foul. Foul. You know, and a lot of people cannot, officer, civilian, alien, whatever. A lot of people cannot hold their composure when something like that happens. So kudos to those officers for that. Because, boy.
Lift your leg up. Lift your leg up.
I'm trying to get
I'm going to ask you one more time.
I can't do it by
Lift
myself.
your right leg.
I need help. Oh, God.
She was caught stealing produce at the front. My manager confronted her, told her to put it back. She got irate, so they instantly called for me. I went out there and asked her to leave the store. At that point, that's when she began to get violent. Got in my face, put her hand up, and then just saying, no, you need to leave. He came for backup, and that's when she started swinging. She got me in the eye twice.
Hit me in the side of the head, hit her on the side of the head. So I finally got her out of the store.
Got her by the wrist, spun her, and got her to the front door, and then she unspun and started screaming some more.
Yep.
And then at the front, at the exit, as we got her outside, the customer came in and she started smacking at the customer.
Okay. So she stole some product.
We got all the product back.
She assaulted both of you.
Yes.
You guys want to be victims of assault?
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Man, that's crazy. He should have got it right. I ain't gonna lie to you.
The woman
Get her
was
together.
charged with robbery, assault, obstructing a law enforcement officer, and theft. She also had an outstanding warrant. YouTube thinks you'll love.
Damn, and a warrant? God damn, she just all types of fucked up, ain't she? Golly. She gonna be a career criminal. It is what it is. I give them cops 4 out of 5, man. Good job being able to hold your composure after being spit on. That in my eyes shows a lot because, boy, Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.